Anime Sucks. Let me start by saying thanks for continuing to watch the original Anime Sucks video. Now let me respond to some of these comments I've received over the 4 years. As you can sort of see, I live in an apartment, and I did when I made the original video, contrary to the recent belief of living in my mother's basement, who's been deceased way before I made the videos. Thanks for bringing up her memories. I'm also not old like many of you think. Here, take a look at my ID. Did you see the birthday on it? It was 1985. Do the math. What does that say? 25. Oh, not 40? Not 30? Not 60? Yes, a lot of you have misquoted my age. Thanks. Yes, I have facial hair. You see this? I'm 25. I'm allowed to have it. Yeah. I'm not going to shave because if I do, I'll look 15. And I'm not 15. I'm 25. A lot of you like to harm me for speaking my opinion. This makes no sense to me. Why? Why would you want to hurt an innocent person that is just speaking their mind and sharing it with the world? How is it for me saying anime sucks? This is what you heard. I hate everyone and anything that's associated or likes anime. I'm sorry, but I will not be taking your suggestions to watch certain animes because I do not care for them. Many of you think that I was not clear enough on my opinions of why I think anime sucks. Let me clarify some of those for you. Anime is more like a soap opera than a cartoon. Just doesn't gain my interest. Alright, so I said 4-foot long swords. Alright, that's believable. But everything is out of proportion between the head, eyes, mouth, and the swords and weapons are usually about 10 times bigger than the person that is holding them. And that just isn't right. I will not get over the facial expressions, and their little eyes when they're smiling, and their big eyes when they're angry, and their stupid mouths and the way they move. It's just, Why do anime fans only know how to put music to anime? I say, let's put some new dialogue in that shit. Let's take a look at this bar graph here of ages of people who watched the original video. As you can see, a huge percentile of you are 13, 17 years of age. What does it tell me? That you're teenagers. Now if we turn our attention to this pie graph here, between males and females that watched the original video, the biggest percentage